Welcome back to Mathematics 1 session of polynomials. Okay, yesterday we completed the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Relationship between zeros and coefficients. And you done good job. Still, I have to get more number of uploading of your solutions. I received maximum, but still you have to come. Everyone should participate in that. 100% presentation I want. Okay, children, try to do everyone. Okay, fine, and we'll go today with how to create the question with the zeros. How to create the polynomial with the zeros of quadratic and also cubic. Okay, children. Now we'll go with the how to find the polynomial of quadratic and also cubic. Yes, let us go with now. Find the quadratic equation with the given zeros of alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. I have to take that alpha is equal to some number, beta is equal to some. He will give. Okay, from that we'll see that 3 minus 4. Let us take this 3 comma minus 4. We can take alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 4. Otherwise, you can take alpha is equal to minus 4 and beta is equal to 3. You can take your will and wish. Okay, fine. Let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 4. Beta is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. Polynomial we have to find. Quadratic polynomial we have to find from these zeros. First of all, we have to know about what is the general standard form of quadratic polynomial. Okay, children? Yes, for that, okay, sum of the zeros, first of all, find out. Sum of the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Yes. What is sum of the zeros formula? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha? 3. What is plus? What is beta? Minus 4. So that is nothing but 3 minus plus into minus 4. That means sum of the zeros is minus 1. Sum of the zeros is minus 1. So same like that, we have to find the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros of quadratic polynomial. What is that formula? Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. Product. What is alpha? 3. What is beta? Minus 4. So 3 into minus 4, minus 12. This is sum of the zeros. This is product of the zeros. Now comes to the quadratic polynomial, general formula. So standard formula is ax square plus bx plus c. Standard formula. General with the using of alpha beta. General standard form of quadratic polynomial with the alpha and beta otherwise. Yes. What is yes? General standard form of quadratic polynomial with the alpha and beta. Okay. What is the formula? First of all, the formula is what is the formula? X square, that is k into, better take k into, k is nothing but constant number. If denominator will be there, this one you will get very useful. Actually, there is a no denominator. There is a no denominator, but even you have to take k. You will see one more question with the denominator, so that you can understand very clearly. First of all, k into x square minus x into sum of the zeros. What is sum of the zeros? Sum of the zeros. What is sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta. Even you can write sum of the zeros on also your wish. Plus product of the zeros. Plus product of, what is product of the zeros? Alpha into beta. Even you can write product of the zeros. Statement also you can write. There is no issue. K into x square minus x of sum of the zeros plus product of the zeros, close the braces. Now you got it, the sum of the zeros value. You got it, product of the zeros value. Substitute there, that's it. Just substitution. Yes. What is here? K into x square minus x, try to take here square bracket, because already here open braces is there. What is sum of the zeros? Minus 1. Product of the zeros minus 1. Now, see, is there any denominator? Is there any denominator? There is no denominator. So, k becomes here 1. Indirectly, denominator is 1. Indirect k, k is equal to, you have to take 1 standardly. If any denominator will be there, you have to take k is equal to, suppose 5 is there, k is equal to 5. If the denominator is 7, it becomes here 7. That is standard, that is constant. Yes. So 1 into x square minus into minus plus x into 1, yes, plus into minus minus, and it becomes here 12. Since k is equal to 1, since k is equal to 1, is equal to 1 into multiplied, you will get this. X square plus x minus 12 is a quadratic polynomial. X square plus x minus 12 is a quadratic polynomial of 3 comma minus 4. 3 and minus 4. You have to take alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 4. If you want to find out the quadratic polynomial, we have to know first of all the formula, which is this one. K into x square minus x into sum of the zeros plus product of the zeros. Since k is constant, if the denominator number will be there, so that the same number you have to take as k. Now substitute here sum of the zeros. Before that, first we have to find here sum of the zeros of quadratic polynomial alpha plus beta. Add it. So you got it here minus 1. Same like the product of the zeros. You have to take multiplication minus 12. General standard form of a quadratic polynomial with the alpha and beta is this is the formula. This is the formula. Substitute of sum of the zeros, product of the zeros. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. And here k is equal to, you have to take 1 because there is no denominator. Since k is equal to 1, you have to take here. If you apply like this the statements, you will get full marks, which is 2 marks. Sometimes you will get 2 marks question. This is 2 mark question. And x square plus x minus 12 is the quadratic polynomial with the given zeros 3 and minus 4. With the given zeros 3 and minus 4. Okay, children, we'll go with one more question of fraction number, which is denominator. Okay, right. Yes. We'll go with one more, second one, with the denominator, that is minus 2 and 3 by 5. Your wish, you can create whatever. Innovative question, different types of questions. You have to be very habitual. Okay, fine. Minus 2 and 3 by 5. Okay, children. Let us take now alpha is equal to one number, beta is equal to one more number.
Yes.
Let alpha is equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to 3 by 5. Now, this is what we have to do. Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is equal to, what is the sum formula? Alpha plus beta. What is alpha? Minus 2. What is beta? 3 by 5. The LCM. What is LCM? LCM we have to do. What is LCM? LCM is 5. Since here denominator is here 1. What? How much? 1. Nothing will be there. So it will be comes as 1. So 5 times going here. 1 5 is a 5. 5 times going. So 5 into minus 2 minus 10. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 plus 1 time only here it is going. So as it is you will get. So as it is you will get. That is 3 by 3. Total divided by 5. Minus 10 plus 3 minus 7 by 5. Minus 7 by 5 is the sum of the zeros of given zeros. Given 0. So same like that, now we have to find product of the zeros. Product of the zeros of quadratic polynomial. What is product? Alpha into beta. What is alpha? Minus 2. What is beta? 3 by 5. Is there any cancellations of numerator and denominator? No. Okay, fine. And the minus plus into minus 2 3 is a 6 by 5. Nothing is 2 3 is a 6 by 5. Now what next? What is the next step, Nana? Yes, general standard form of quadratic polynomial with the alpha and beta. Yes. What is the formula? K into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That's it. Within the braces. Better take brackets. Okay. Yes. Now what we have to do? Just substitution of this one. Yes. What is that? K into x square minus x into sum of the zeros. How much? Minus 7 by 5 plus product of the zeros. How much? Minus 6 by 5. Okay, children. Now multiply x square minus into minus plus 7 into x 7x by 5, and here plus into minus minus 6 by 5. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? What is here? Nothing but 1. What is the LCM? The same, you will get 5 ones are 5 because it is a prime Pradhana Sankhya. So yes, LCM is 5. Here 5 times going. 1 5 is a 5. 5 times going. So 5 into x square, 5x square. Plus as 5 is there, so 1 time only here it is going. So it becomes 7x minus already here also 1 time here it is going. You will get this one. And k becomes here 5 because constant, that is you have to delete the denominator. Otherwise, if it is an equation, you will get 0. 5 zeros are 0 it becomes. For that, we have to take k is equal to, but this is polynomials, not a quadratic equation. This is quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, we have to go with the like this. What is the denominator? The same we have to take, and since k is equal to 5, we have to substitute. K is equal to 5. Yes. Now this will get cancelled. The left is 5x square plus 7x minus 6. 5x square plus 7x minus 6. Understand, children? If the fraction, if it will be there in fraction, so you have to do simple. Same, the process is same. Only denominator you will get when after doing the LCM, you have to take k is equal to the same number to delete the denominator. That's it. And finally, 5x square plus 7x minus 6 will be the result of that. This is quadratic polynomial of the general standard formula. Quadratic. Now we will see the cubic. Now we will see the cubic. And before going to cubic, of this one, before going to this one, and same question. So before going to this one, we'll go with the once again. Okay, sum of the zeros he will give. Direct question. Direct question he will give like that. Find the polynomial if the sum of the zeros. See, he won't give this one. Directly he will give answer. This one. Question. Sum of the zeros is minus 2. Product of the zeros is plus 2. Suppose. Then what is the quadratic polynomial? What do we have to do, Nana? This is the process. Only this is the process. In the exercise number 3.2, in the exercise number 3.3, second question is there. Second question is directly this one. Third question is totally. Third question, alpha betas he will give. In the second question, sum of the zeros and product of the zero. If he will give directly sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, this one directly you have to substitute the values of sum of the zeros, product of the. In some other places, only zeros he will do like this. Once again, we will see. Let us take one of the zero is minus 2, the other zero is 3/5. So sum of the zeros. What is the sum of the zeros formula? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. The LCM is here 5. 5 2s are minus 10 plus only one time here it is going. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7/5. So same like the product of the zeros multiplication. 2 3s are 6/5 with a negative. These two values you have to substitute in the sum of the zeros, product of the zeros in the expression. So we substituted minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 7 into x, 7x/5, 6/5 as it is. Constant. Here you have to take the LCM. LCM is 5. Here nothing is there, nothing but 1 is the constant denominator. So 5 becomes here LCM. 5 into x square, 5x square. Already 5 is there, only one time it will go. So 7x into 1, 7x. Here also 5 is the denominator. One time only here it is going. 6 into 1, nothing but 6. And since k is equal to, you have to take the same denominator as a value. So k is equal to 5. 5 get cancelled and remains its standard. That is 5x square plus 7x minus 6 is the quadratic polynomial with the zeros minus 2 and beta 3/5. Okay. Now we will see the cubic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial, like that cubic polynomial we will see. Cubic polynomial. Find the previously I hope that I written quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial that is. Okay, children? Find the cubic. Find the cubic polynomial with the given zeros of alpha, beta, and gamma, because 3 zeros will be there, because the degree is 3, because cubic polynomial, this is cubic polynomial. Okay, children, now we'll see this one. Find the cubic polynomial with the given zeros of alpha, beta, and gamma. That is called gamma. One more zero name we given as gamma. Yes. First one we will see 1 minus 2 and we'll take 4, whatever it. 1 minus 2 and 4. Yes. Solution. Let us take alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to minus 2 and gamma is equal to 4. Gamma is equal to 4. Here also we have to find sum of the zeros, product of the zeros, and one more will be there because it is a cubic. Degree will be 3. That is sum and product, both we have to mix. Sum of the zeros we have to do, product of the zeros we have to do, and mixing of these two. Sum and product of the zeros. That is the. We have to find one more, that is sum and product. Both we have to do at a time. Yes, let me see here. Yes, what sum of the zeros? Sum of the zeros of cubic polynomial. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha? 1. What is beta? Minus 2. What is gamma? Plus 4. Yes, now 1 minus 2 plus 4. Plus into minus minus. 4 plus 1, how much, Rana? 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So same like that. Now what we have to do? What we have to find? Product of the zeros. Otherwise, sum and product of the zeros you see, because in the formula, first you will get sum of the zeros, next you will get sum and product of the zeros of cubic polynomial is equal to sum. See, product I am doing, product plus sum I am doing. Beta into gamma, gamma into alpha. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. With the sum, product we are doing, sum also. So sum and product of the cubic polynomial. This is sum and product. Yes, what is alpha? What is beta? Substitute. What is alpha, Nana? 1 into beta minus 2. And here minus 2 into 4 plus 4 into what is alpha? Into 1. Yes. 1 into minus 2 minus. Plus into minus minus. 2 4s are 8. Plus 4 1s are 4. Just multiplication. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Plus into minus minus. 2 4s are 8. 4 1s are 4. It's plus. Yes. Minus 2 minus 8 how much? Minus 2 minus 8. Minus 10. Minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4. Minus 6. Okay? Minus 6. What is that? Sum and product of the zeros. Now we have to find only product of the zeros. Product of the zeros of cubic polynomial. Yes, what is the formula? Alpha, beta, gamma. Because product na direct product. Yes, multiplication. What is alpha? 1. What is beta? Minus 2. What is gamma? 4. Okay. Now 1 into minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 into 4. Minus 8. Just multiplication. 1 into minus 2 into 4. Minus 8. This is the product of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. Sum and product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. These three you have to substitute in the formula. What is that formula? General standard form of quadratic polynomial with the zeros with the alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Yes. What is the formula here? K into x cube. Okay, so x cube minus x square into sum of the zeros. X cube minus x square into sum of the zeros plus here sum and product of the zeros. I hope the space will not be sufficient. I will write from here, Nana, once again, because the space will not be sufficient. Yes, now k into x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma. X cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into what is that? Sum and product. What is sum and product? Here it is there. Sum and product. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma. This is the formula to find out a cubic polynomial. This is the formula to find out here cubic polynomial. General standard form of cubic polynomial with the zeros alpha, beta, gamma. This is the formula. K into x cube minus x square into sum of the zeros plus x into sum and product of the zeros minus product of the zeros. Substitute here values. What is here sum of the zeros? What is the sum of, you got it? Sum of the zeros. What is that? 3 plus x into what is sum and product of the zeros? Minus 6 minus what is product of the zeros? Minus 8. Just multiplication. Now it becomes what? K becomes here 1 because there is no denominator. If there is no denominator, K becomes here 1 into x cube minus directly 3 into x square. 3x square plus into minus 6 into x. 6x minus into minus plus 8. So 1 in here you have to take, since k is equal to 1, small k is equal to 1, and finally 1 into this one, same as it is, you will get x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 8 will be the solution of this cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Once again, Nana, if alpha, beta, gamma, 3 zeros will give, find the cubic polynomial. Find the cubic polynomial of the given zeros. So cubic polynomial means formula we have to get. The formula is k into x square, k into x cube minus x square into sum of the zeros plus x into sum and product of the zeros minus product of the zeros. That formula is most important. You have to take that first itself. Then now sum of the zeros we have to find. Alpha, beta, gamma, you know already. Sum of the zeros. Alpha, beta, gamma, add it, you will get one answer. Same like that, sum and product of the zeros of cubic polynomial. That is formula. Sum and product. Sum is there, plus is there, product is there, into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Substitute, you got it here, this one. So same like that, product of the zeros of this one, alpha, beta, gamma. Substitute this one, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 1, 8. With minus 8 you got it. General standard form of quadratic polynomial with the zeros, alpha, beta, gamma. K into this is the formula. Substitute all the values here. And you have to take the k is equal to 1 because there is no denominator. And this is the final result. Sometimes maybe he will give sum of the zeros of cubic polynomial directly, this one he will give. And sum and product of the zeros he will give. And also product of the zeros he will give. So these three, if you will do directly, so you can take this formula. You have to take this formula. You have to substitute in this. You have to substitute in this. Okay, children. Shall we go with one more problem? Shall we go with one more problem? Let's we'll see this. Yes, one more we will see. Second one from the cubic polynomial of 1/3 minus 7 with the 4. Okay, same number. We'll see this one very quickly. We will see here now. So yes, let alpha is equal to 1/3, beta is equal to -7, and gamma is equal to 4. What you have to do? Sum of the zeros of cubic polynomial. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha? 1/3. What is beta? -7. What is gamma? 4. LCM is how much? 3. Denominator how much? 1. Here denominator how much? 1. Means 3 times it is going. Here already 3 is there, you will get 1. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 7, 3 times going now here. 3 into 7, 21. Plus, here how many times going again? 3 times going. 3 into 4, 12. Now, 1 plus 12, 13. 13 minus 21, minus 8. 13 minus 21, minus 8 by 3. This is the one. Okay, children. Next, sum and product of the zeros. Sum and product of the zeros of cubic polynomial. What is sum? Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha. What is alpha? 1/3. What is beta? -7. And again here, what is beta? -7. What is gamma? 4. And plus, what is gamma? 4. What is alpha? 1/3. Now, plus into minus, minus. 1 into 7, 7/3. Plus into minus, minus. 7 4s are 28. Plus 4 1s are 4/3. I hope we have to. Yes. Now, okay. LCM. What is LCM, Nana? 3 is the yes. Here already 3 is there. As it is, you will get. Here nothing is there. Means 3 times here it is going. 3 28s are 8 3s are how much? 8 3s are 3 8s are 24. 2 left. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 84. Is it correct? 25 3 75 plus 9. Okay. Plus. Oh, sorry. Here minus is there. Minus is there here. So you will get here minus. Okay, fine. Minus 84 plus. How many times? Already 3 is there. You will get just 4. You will get just 4. Yes. Add these two, subtract this one. What is 84 plus 7? 91. 91 minus 4. How much? 87. 87 by 3. 91 plus minus 91 plus 4 minus 87. Now, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros of CP. Okay, of CP is alpha, beta, gamma. What is alpha? 1/3. What is beta? -7. What is gamma? 4. So you will get minus denominator 3. You will get 1 into 7, 7, 7 into 4, 28. Now, general standard form of quadratic polynomial with the zeros. What is the formula? K into x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into alpha beta gamma plus gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma. This is the formula. Just you have to substitute all. K into x cube minus x square into sum of the zeros. What is sum of the zeros? Minus 8 by 3 plus x into sum and product of the zeros minus 87 by 3 minus product of the zeros minus 28 by 3. Here you have to do that one more column you are getting. One more column. Yes, k into what is the LCM here? LCM is 3. 3 times going. Okay, LCM is 3 times. 3 into x cube, 3x cube. Minus already 3 is there here. You will get same. Minus into minus plus 8x square. 8x square. Plus into minus 87x. 87x. Minus into minus plus 28 by 3 because denominator 3 as it is you will get denominator 3 as it is you will get denominator 3 as it is. Here it is denominator not here 3, so 3 into x cube, 3x cube. Now k becomes here what? K becomes here 3. So this will be get cancelled and 3x cube plus 8x square minus 87x plus 20. Here you better take your k is equal to 3. Better take k is equal to 3. And this is the cubic polynomial of the given zeros. Okay, children. Now I will give as homework. First one, quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial 3 minus 5. And the cubic polynomial is 1 by 2 minus 2 3. Quadratic polynomial zeros is 3 comma minus 5. Cubic polynomial zeros are 1 by 2 minus 2 3. Is it clear? These two questions complete it and upload to my number. Okay, children? And you can see once again in the YouTube the link you will get. Okay? So if you will have any doubt